All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, buying the coin, staking the coin, basically using credit cards for BlockFi credit card to get your rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of information on cryptocurrency. Today, we're going to be talking about Space Cowboys cryptocurrency. That's right, Space Cowboy cryptocurrency. Are you ready for this? Up 8,000% in the last 7 days. You heard that one right. 8,000% Space Cowboys cryptocurrency. So most of you probably haven't heard of it. That's okay. That's why we're bringing this to you, so you can be up to date on it. Anybody who sees a coin go up 8,000%, we're going to confirm that with Coin Market here in a second, so you can see it with your own eyes. You definitely want to know about it. Don't forget to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our vision here is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, own some cryptocurrency, stake the coin, do all kinds of things with cryptocurrency. This is a currency that is never going to go away. It's going to be here forever. So since most people don't have any knowledge of this, this channel is going to kind of let you know about things. We talk about different coins, different things you can get into, mining it, all kinds of things. So with that, no further ado, let's jump over to Space Cowboys. All right, over here at Coin Market, Space Cowboy, literally ranked 1581. Take a look. Do you see that? 8,000%. 8,000% increase in the last 7 days. In the last 24 hours, this coin is up 75%. I can't even believe I'm saying 8,000%, but it's right there with your own eyes. Here, let me highlight it again. 8,000%. But coins being traded at $58.07. Taking a look here. So a lot of going on here. Up 75% over here to the right. Taking a look. The circulation, the coin is only 33% of the coin is in circulation right now. So that's interesting. We like the circulation. The market cap is 1.8 million. The fully diluted market cap is 5.8 million. The volume is 173,000. Again, the circulation is at 33%. So there's a lot of growth to happen in this coin. So let's kind of dig in a little bit and kind of figure out what is Space Cowboy. You're going to like this. It's NFT stuff. Anyways, we'll go back into that. Take a look at this chart. I mean, wouldn't you love to be in Space Cowboys right here? Take a look at this. And then, of course, wham, we're going up the mountain. So it's going up, up, up. This coin is crazy, 8,000%. And what does it say? Space Cowboy aims to be an NFT platform. Been hearing a lot about those NFTs, huh? It'll be an NFT platform for digital art and assets related to the theme sci-fi, bulls, space memes. They also list rare NFT collections designed by sci-fiers. Stake your NFTs to earn more passive yield. NFT platform designed for sci-fi collections. So by show of hands in the comment section, if you heard of Space Cowboy, definitely leave a comment in the bottom. Let's jump over to Space Cowboy's website. I want to be a cowboy. All right, anyway, Space Cowboy, here we go. What does it say here? Space Market Beta. It's top minute NFTs. It says view all the NFTs. Please connect your wallet. And as you can see here, we got kind of like some Star Wars, or I mean some similar, but a Space Cowboys. Of course, you can buy these NFTs. Now you click right here, buy now. And it takes you to all categories: Space Cowboys, Little Green Men, the WSB series. And then once you connect your wallet, obviously they want you to connect your wallet up here to the top, then you can go ahead and purchase these. Couple other things. So again, it says Space Cowboys scb.nft. Pretty good website to go to. Space Market. New series, so they have new series there that are coming out. Take a look at this next one. Here we go. I mean, we got the Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader here. The artist collection. Okay, pretty neat there. Then we got, this ain't the baby Yoda, but we got Yoda. You kind of click it, and it talks about the artist. Introducing the Oxbow Tech first featured artist. Morgan is a concept artist who has worked on many games and TV series with multiple studios. Her work can be found across the galaxy. From ArtStation all the way to Steam games, a few of her feature works can be seen. So it's just kind of showing some of her feature works. So yeah, NFTs are here to stay also. But a cryptocurrency that's up 8,000%, you definitely want to put that on your radar. So that's why we're featured in this coin today. Space Cowboy Crypto. Jumping over here to their Twitter account, Space Cowboys. It says the fastest guns on the moon. And it's just, it's got, again, NFTs, it's going to have all kinds of different things. Welcome to the internet. So again, you can kind of go to their Twitter account. And here somebody talks about redheads with blue eyes is their kryptonite. So again, they already have their Twitter. Again, they also talk about different things like right here, beer facts and trivial games. So they're going to be doing different Kickstarter projects. So they're, weaving in the NFL here. They obviously got art here. Drunk with the Bud podcast. I mean, all kinds of interesting things. So again, over here at the Space Cowboys Twitter account. So here's some good information. Shooting the first with the Space Cowboys in the forest of the Cowboys. So kind of right here, it talks about Space Cowboys is currently embarking on a mission to realize the NFT characters developed in a future create value of cryptocurrency space. So they're big in the NFTs. It says with Oxbow Tech experience in NFT gaming scenes, the team is proud to announce the very first version of Space Cowboys, the play to earn. But the first, some information. So, isn't that interesting? You can sit here on the Space Cowboys. You can play to earn. Kind of interesting. Talks about new Space Boy contracts and utilities. Here's something interesting. Following which, a basic character will be airdropped to all existing NFT holders. One NFT equals one character. All existing NFTs can be utilized by a skill card sequentially in a game and used as a fan arts to be traded on Treasure Island. Ooh, I like Treasure Island. So guess what? You can get these little NFTs. Take a look how nice and cute they are. And these little NFTs you can get from Space Cowboy. And obviously you can trade it on Treasure Island. So, let's go head over to Treasure Island. Different characters are required to be able to play the game. Moving forward, SBC will utilize to mint in a game assets such as item power-ups, fan art, rewards, the force of the Space Cowboy. Next up is reward mechanism will be introduced. The force of the Cowboy shall be a gaming ecosystem and reward token earned on gaming platforms. Players would be able to use FCB to rent out characters to fellow guild members and share rewards. Rent it out. Involve the characters. Participate in tournaments. Below you can find a high-level overview of the SBC, and the FCBs are essentially to keep the NFTs in the game ecosystem sustainable. So here's a little chart, and kind of interesting. I mean, these guys got it going on. Fan art, character minting, space minting, item minting, Space Cowboy ecosystem. You got your involved, you got your fight, PVA. So you may want to check out this chart, your characters, your space, your fan art, your demand, your supply. I mean, pretty interesting stuff if you're into gaming. You can play and make money. Hey, the Space Cowboy Play to Earn gaming environment. The Play to Earn gaming platform is now live on BSC testnet. Existing SBCs and NFT holders will now have an exclusive access to the testnet for the first-hand experience to improve the feedback and debugging. So that's kind of interesting. So Space Cowboy, the cryptocurrency listed on CoinMarket, is up 8,000% in the last 7 days. It's up 75% in the last 24 hours. Don't forget, all our information is for educational purposes only on this channel, but we do like to bring you all kinds of information on cryptocurrency. The other day we brought you Rainbow token. That token was up 100% in 24 hours. We've actually also brought you Hamstered coin. That coin was up 700% in about a week. We did it a couple days ago. Go into my, not my most recent video, but a couple videos back, and you can kind of see all those. We kind of like to bring coins that are just popping, okay? Because again, if you put those on your radar and you start watching 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 coins and you're kind of tracking them, I don't know if any of you guys play fantasy football, but it's kind of the same thing. You watch your players, and some players will peak at a certain time, some players may not, and everything else. You want to do the same thing with your coins. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Also, been talking about Tom Brady on Sundays and Mondays, how he's talking about he's getting into something, cryptocurrency. Yeah, him and his couple of his friends, the running back for the Green Bay Packers, Aaron Jones, he's getting into cryptocurrency. Stephen Curry, that plays basketball for the Warriors, he won a couple championships. He's getting into cryptocurrency. So as you get more and more of these celebrities getting into cryptocurrency, now you got places that you can play video games and on Space Cowboys and get paid to play. I mean, all kinds of awesome stuff. So don't forget to share this video with a friend. Every Monday through Friday, we bring you a video at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Saturdays and Sundays, we also bring you a video around 3 to 4 o'clock. And on some days, we actually bring you a bonus video around 6 or 7. We bring you bonus videos when all of a sudden something pops, and I just want to bring it to everybody so you can know about it. I don't want you to wait till the next day if something pops and stuff. So again, share this with your friends. Everybody have an awesome day today. Let's go out and talk about some cryptocurrency.